Sometimes deleting an entry within QuickBooks is not quite so easy. Let's come here under the List pull-down menu and let's look at the chart of accounts. If we come down here to our accounts payable account and try to delete it, QuickBooks is going to give us a message that we cannot delete it. There are three rules why we cannot delete it. If the item we're trying to delete or entry in a list that we're trying to delete has a balance, such as this $30,739 that exists here, then QuickBooks cannot delete the account. The second scenario is if there are any transactions related to the entry in the list. And the third is if the entry is tied or linked to an item. Now, let's look at two alternatives that we can do when we need to edit or change an entry in a list that has one of those three rules applied to it. Let's come here under the List pull-down menu and let's look at the vendor list. Here we can see that we have CU Electric and CU Electric here. We mistakenly set up this vendor twice. We cannot delete one of these because it has a balance and transactions related to it, the first and second rule. Instead, we can merge these two vendors into one vendor. To do this, edit the vendor that you want to merge. Click here and click on Edit. Here we simply need to put a period after the C and a period after the U to make the name the exact same name as the other entry that we want to merge into. Click OK. QuickBooks asks us if we would like to merge them. Click on Yes, and now you can see that our balance now reflects the other $122 that existed under the other entry.